Hey, so come with us to Barney's Cafe in Mayberry or Mount Airy, North Carolina. It is the greatest.
And the food is fantastic.
So good. The show for Andy Griffith was first getting started. Opie was written as a typical sitcom kid who was kind of sassy and misbehaving, but Andy Griffith was no, and so they kind of redid how his character was going to be, and it just made the show a lot more wholesome to see the good sweet kid who was behaving and listening to his dad. Yeah.
So I got the Barney burger. That's gonna look delicious with some onion rings. Miss Emily got her pimento cheese. And we got a little side of fries.
I'm ready. And so I was just watching, you can see the lady in the back actually washing and slicing the tomatoes, and I also feel it's probably from her grandma's farm or something.
You're probably right. Fresh food.
Yeah.
The fries are Evelyn.
Fries and ranch are Evelyn approved.
So we went next door to the town commerce, and the nice old lady there gave old Evelyn the Barney cop car and a little squishy cop car to play with as well. So
super fun.
This place is awesome.
This is great.
The food was great. The Mount Airy itself downtown is awesome. I would recommend anyone coming and visiting. If you have any questions about Barney's, let us know in the comments. Food is fantastic. Next time, everybody.